How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video where I can learn how we can see recently watched reels on Instagram. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to look up for your recently watched reels, first of all, we just need to head over to the reel section and watch some of the videos before watching the recently watched reels. So let's say I have watched this reel, for example, and these reels. So in order to look up to my watch history, I just need to head over to my profile and I'm just going to look up for the option called your history. So you're just going to head over to the menu bar at the top, and when you tap on this menu bar, you'll be finding different kind of sections here, different kind of options here on the settings and privacy, and you can find this option called your activity as well. But unfortunately, there is no such option for watching history that you usually do on TikTok application. Like we had this option called watch TikTok history. Unfortunately, Instagram hasn't added this feature till now on Instagram, but maybe in the future they'll add up those features. So we're just gonna wait for those kind of features to be available on Instagram to watch our Instagram reel history for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.